Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize specific cells in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs app, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I resize specific cells in these documents. At first you have to insert a table. Go to insert menu. Now you can see here a table option. Just draw your table. Now select these tables to make white better. Now choose for PTA. Now I resize specific cell. Now I resize this cell. Select this cell, then right click on this selected cell. Now you can see here a table properties option. Click it. Now you can here are table properties windows. Now choose table cell. Now I choose middle. Now I resize this table cells to 0.6 inches. Now close these windows. Now you can see I resize specific cells in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.